guys, come and join me in Ilocos Sur, kung saan sure na ikaw ay mag-enjoy. Ilocos Sur! So without any further ado guys, let's get it on!
The St. Augustine Parish Church, aka Bantay Church, is a Roman Catholic church in Bantay, Ilocos Sur in the Philippines. The church was dedicated to St. Augustine of Hippo. Bantay Bell Tower, the old historic belfry of the church known as the Bantay Tower, which served as a watchtower for pirates back in the Spanish colonial era, gave the town its name, Bantay, meaning to guard. Established in 1590, the church is one of the oldest in the Ilocos region.